Hello guys, Wolfie101 here, or Wolfie Stunts here. This is gonna go on my Wolfie Stunts thing. But today, I am going to show you a Pokemon opening. I got the Mega Powers thing with Mega Lucario, Jolteon, Magnetric, and Zygarde. Now, I'm gonna open this, and let's see if it won't give me a struggle. I just got this today at around like 1. And I wanted to do it with a friend, but he's not available for right now. So, here we go. So this is all of the cards, including the big one. So we have like all the cards from Ancient Origins to Primal Clash to I think Evolutions. So I'm gonna take all of these cards and set them aside for now. Oh, Steam Sieged. Oh, that's cool. I didn't get one of those when I was trying to get it, and now I have one. Because I have a Mega Lucario. Not Mega Lucario. I have a Lucario EX, and I've been waiting to get a Mega Lucario. Now, I don't have to. This is Full Art Zygarde. You can read about his moves. Full Art Jolteon. I still need to get that Umbreon from one of my friends. This is Full Art. I'm showing that one off last. Magnetric. And then Full Art Lucario. Now I just have to find a main archer. Okay, so I'm gonna start from, I think I got Primal Clash first, so I'm gonna start with that. Then this one. Then this one. Let's see if I can remember correctly. It's not Breakthrough. Wait, no. It's Fates. I think it's Fates Collides, then Breakthrough, then Breakpoint, then Steam Siege, then Evolutions. So we are going to go from there. Okay, so let's open Primal Clash. Okay, so I have a Volbeat, a Nosepass, a Spinda, a Mudkip. That's a new one. Chinchou. I don't remember. Shiny Mudkip. Ooh. No, not a Shiny Mudkip. Reverse Hollow Mudkip and Hollow Mudkip. And then a Full Art Bidoof. And a Groville. Oh, and a Lantern. And that's it. So no new EXs from these, but I do have some new Pokemon that I have. Okay, the next one is going to be Ancient Origins. When I got Ancient Origins, I got Tyranitar EX and Mega Tyranitar EX in 2 of the packs. So I was lucky that day. Let's see if I can open it. There we go. God. Hi, Bella. So we have a Ralts, a Magikarp, a Meowth, a Spinark, Full Art Baltoy, Shiny Reverse Hollow Oddish. Oh, that's cool. Registeel, Porygon 2, Curlia, Sceptile Spirit Link, and that's it. So we got some new Pokemon. but not a lot. Like, probably one of them is new. Now, I think it's Fates Collide. Wait, no, Roaring Skies. Actually, I think Breakthrough, then Fates Collide came out. I'm not sure. Comment down below if which one came out first. Before the other. Breakthrough or Fates Collide. Okay, so we have Sparrow, Natu, Pikachu, Hawlucha, Execute, Reverse Hollow Executor. Oh, that's cool. Full Art Bayonet, Wally, Silicoon, Mega Ladio Spirit Link, and that's it. We have some new ones on that one too. Okay, I'm gonna do Breakthrough then Fates Collide because I have a feeling Breakthrough came out. Okay. So we have Ralts, Pansage, Hippotas, Pimpelup, Doduo, Reverse Hollow Crescilla. Ooh, Empoleon. Oh, that's hollow. That's nice. Ursaring, Fisherman, Magneton, and that's it. So we don't have any X's yet, but I hope we get more in this thing. Every time I've opened one of these things, I never get an EX. It's like luck is not on my side. God, they keep falling off. Okay, now for Fates Collide. This might be the first 10-minute video, so it'll probably take like an hour now. Let's take this out. So we have a Riolu, a Volibee, a Coughing, Spoink, Diglett, ooh, Random Receiver, Reuniclus, I think, Old Amber Aerodactyl, oh that's cool, then Power Memory, the Zygarde EX, this card is attached to, can also use it. Oh, that's cool! That is wicked. Okay. Hawlucha. And that's it. Okay, so now we have 3 more. Next is Breakpoint. Okay, so I already see a Skrelp. Kricketot, Drowsy, Growlithe! This is probably my favorite one. Clefairy. Lucario is my favorite Pokemon out of all of them. Esper. Then Arcanine and Growlithe are my favorite. Aegislash, Perugly, Bayleaf, Electivire, and that's it. No EXs yet. I'm good with 4X EXs. It would just be grateful if you could give me more. I'm going to save the evolutions for last, because that one has been very on my side lately. There we go. Off the bat, we have a Joltik, a Tangela. Oh, Ponard. Oshawott. Nidoran male. Shiny Tangela. Or reverse hollow Tangela. Klotzer. Oh, that's cool. Then Armor Fossil Sheldon. Skiploom. Greedy Dice. And that's it. The last and final one, the Evolutions pack. Let's see. These, I swear, if I only get all these 4 EXs, I told you bad luck is on my side when it comes to Pokemon. Unless if it was Ancient Origins. Okay, so right now I have a Nidoran male. Vulpix, Dark Energy, Manticarp, Weedle, Kakuna, Poliwrath, Full Heal, Venusaur Spirit Link, Potion, and that's it. So we got 4 of the packs, and wow, it's over 10 minutes already. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is all of the things I got. So I got a lot of Pokemon cards to sort out, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this 12-minute video. It just hit 12. And I hope you guys have a wonderful afternoon. Peace out, my pack, and goodbye.